Learning Plan 7, our very last week of this class. I can't believe how quickly it went by. So for Learning Plan 7, we have Advanced Google Analytics. And to start it off, I'll talk about views. So if you use best practices, you'll have 3 different views within Google Analytics. You'll have your raw data view, which is an unfiltered view, and it is essentially a safeguard in case you have applied any filters incorrectly. And then you have a test view, and your test view is a place that you can try new ideas, and this is your view that you can kind of mess around with and try new things, and real reports will not be pulled from this portion. And then you have your master view, and this is set up with minimum filters so that you can have reports pulled accurately. And then you can set up multiple views beyond these 3 basic views that come on your Google Analytics. For example, you could set up a view that just segments your target market. And then your filters help you refine your data to better interpret what the report is saying. And there are predefined filters that Google supplies you with, and then there are custom filters, and your custom views can be set up so that you only see the data that is important to your specific objective, whether that's a campaign that you're starting or a specific goal that you have for click rate or whatever it may be. And then you can decide if you want to include or exclude traffic data as well with those filters. And then for events, they give us various insights into how our customer interacts with different portions of our website. So this could be downloads or steps in your purchase process. And you can even gather insights from someone watching a video on your page, for example. And although adding Google Analytics events to your page requires some work from a developer, which we kind of talked about last week, it is a really important step, and so it'd be great to get them on board and kind of help you through that process. And then segments are helpful to gather information from a specific subset of users, and this subset could be those users from a particular country, or if you want to focus on customers that are only purchasing a particular product. And then custom features may consist of traffic reporting, conversion tracking, keyword referrals, third-party referrals, or custom dashboards within the portal. And then A/B testing is our last section of this learning plan, and I thought it was really interesting and something that could be very telling for your website. So A/B testing involves making a variation of your page and comparing it to your normal or your base website page. And then you can conduct a test to see which variation of the page works best for your specific audience. So for an example, for LTC's cafeteria page, I was thinking you could run one test which includes a page that states your specialty lunch item while you're signing up for LTC's email subscription, and then one that just asks for your email in like a simple little box. And it'd be interesting to see if there's a higher conversion rate for the sign up if it includes that specialty item. And do your users want to see that? Or is it better to see the simple view of that and just simply asking for their email to receive the LTC's subscription? So although one test for this won't really give you a definite answer, you can tweak your test to see if similar results occur. And you can also run tests to see like a particular design element on your website if your users prefer one over the other, and if they stay on your page for a longer time period if you do have that specific design element. And this is really up for interpretation of any sort of design that you'd like. And it'd be really important in your beginning stages of your marketing efforts, but also as you continue to update and make improvements to your site. So you have the ability to also test headlines or call to actions, or even like specific navigation bars, and if that navigation is really helping your users.